Hi! In this video, we will quickly compare ClickCease versus PPC Protect. 1 in every 4 PPC clicks are considered fraudulent. Competitors and bots can click on your ads and waste your advertising budget before you even get the chance for a conversion. ClickCease is a cost-efficient and highly effective solution used to detect fake clicks and blocks the IP with suspicious activities. We monitor your ads. ClickCease will track each and every click on your search network, display, and shopping campaigns, taking into account IP and IP range, unique device, VPN, your unique settings, and more. We quarantine dangerous IP addresses and ranges. AdWords limit the excluded IP/IP range list to 500. ClickCease TM will make sure that the most fraudulent and dangerous IP will be quarantined. We block clicks from fraudulent sources. The fraudulent IP are automatically inputted into your AdWords IP exclusion list. Now your competitor/bot will not see your ad. Get a ClickCease account for free today, and you'll start thinking about fake Google Ads clicks. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickCease and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.